Boleh ke? Boleh, Alright, good. Okay, so again, the important thing about this activity is how you want to respond to this kind of question. Okay, sebab that is the most important thing. Okay, so for open-ended question, let's say discuss your view or something like that. Okay, usually the best way is first you give the definition of the term, for example. Okay, and then next you give the example of usage for the thing, for example. Okay, and you can add more to it. For example, advantage or disadvantage of the use of that thing, things like that. Okay, so it depends on your creativity, like on how you answer, but try to use this activity as a practice for you to approach this kind of open-ended question. All right. And I hope we can learn from each other lah, from what you share in the forum post. Okay, so maybe we don't know about blockchain, for example. So based on what you share, so we can together learn about blockchain, isn't it? Okay, so you have options either to give your answer in text, okay, right, based on your understanding, or you can share resources such as you found out a link that you find useful for you to understand more about the term. Then you can share the link. Okay, I mean share the link. Yeah, share the link just like what I did over here. Okay, share this link. But before you share the link, maybe you can write something lah. Okay, write something that that can lead us to the link. Okay, and also maybe you come across video or YouTube video that is useful for us to understand more about the key words over here. Okay, so you can just share. So one post already enough. Okay, as your attendance for tomorrow class. All right, so yeah, so I guess that's it. So that is for tomorrow class. In other words, try to use tomorrow class to go through chapter 1 and also try to understand about the current computing technology. So that's about next class. Okay, for the next week ni, this one is just a plan, okay? Here I put to be confirmed. In other words, if let's say got any changes, so I will update in our WhatsApp group. Okay, but for now our plan is we will have online class on Monday and Tuesday. Okay, Monday and Tuesday kita ada kelas. Lepas tu Wednesday and Thursday, we will have asynchronous learning in which you need to respond to the activities in ULearn. Okay, so on Wednesday kita akan ada week 2 quiz just like what you had done before in week 1 quiz before. Okay, and on Thursday nanti ni activity dia lebih kurang macam tadi tu lah. The post your response in the forum thread. Okay. So I guess that's it. Alright, so any question class for now? Okay, so okay, so let me just look at the question over here. So this one, okay, so got one question about do we need to choose 2 topics to discuss? No, you just need to choose one topic, okay, and then post one reply to that topic. Okay, if let's say the post represent your lab group, so at the end of the post, please write from lab group 1 or lab group what. Okay, so that's the first question. The second one got marks given. Okay. Second one, ada marks given tak? Marks tak ada, but it will be taken as your attendance. Attendance for week 1, sebab kita ada 4 classes kan. So that one will be taken as our 4th attendance. Okay, so next question. Post lebih tak apa kan? Tak apa. Post lebih tak apa. Okay, any other question? Okay, tak ada eh. So, okay, so basically for today class, we had covered chapter 1. Okay, so nanti boleh go through again this chapter. Alright. And again, just a friendly reminder. Okay, remember every week we will have 4 session. Okay, so 4 session too, it depends. So maybe 2 session online class like this. Okay, another 2 session depends on activities. So semua ni, if let's say got activities, so that activity when you respond or when you complete the activity, so that will be taken as the attendance. Alright. And also, if you have any question, okay, so let me know. Either through ULearn pun boleh or through WhatsApp group pun boleh. Okay, so kalau dekat ULearn tu, you can look at the, okay, kita stop jap ni. Okay, so if you want to share anything, okay, you can post at the last part over here. Step 7 ni, week 1 discussion link. So maybe you're confused about something. Okay, so you can just post your queries here. Okay, apa-apa je lah yang macam tak faham kan. Contoh macam macam ni lah. Okay, so it depends on you. Alright, so this one, so for every week, I will make a space, or I will make a discussion place for us like this. So if you have anything, then you can just post your queries there. Alright. So this is for week 1. So I will update the content regularly. Maksudnya for now kita cuma ada week 1 content je kan. So insyaAllah before next week we will have the week 2 content lah. So for week 2, next week we will cover chapter 2. Okay, so chapter 2 is about what? So let's take a look at our teaching plan over here. Oh, tak ada pula. Okay, tak apa. Chapter 2 is more on. Okay, chapter 2 is more on computer organization and architecture. Okay, sampai sini. Okay, so this is chapter 2. So basically chapter 1 tadi kita dah cover sampai sebelum kita highlight ni lah. Okay, so this one we had covered today. Okay, so chapter 2 kita akan cover ni. InsyaAllah next week kita cover. Alright, so but basically chapter 2 ni is about computer hardware in general. Okay. Alright class, so any other question? Before we end? No, okay. So, satu je no? 2, 3. Okay, bolehlah 3 eh. Alright, so I hope this one speaks for everyone. Okay, these 3 no's speaks for everyone. So again, if you have anything, then you can let me know dekat ULearn dengan dekat WhatsApp group. Alright. Okay, so I guess that's all class. See you next week, insyaAllah. Okay. And that's it for our today class, but I will stay until 3:30 in case you have anything, then you can just let me know here. Okay, thank you and Assalamualaikum and good day.